Namaskaram. We are going to solve some more 5 mark questions from binary files. Question. Considering the following definition, a tuple with values DNO, name and specialization of file object, write a function SPL docs in Python to search and display all the content from a pickled file docs.dat where specialization of doctors is cardiology. Also display total number of cardiologists. What to do first? Import pickle module, import pickle, then define the function SPL docs. Def SPL docs, no arguments, colon. Then inside this function I have to open my file. Name of the file is docs.dat. So f equal to file handle f equal to open name of the file docs.dat, then the file mode read binary. Then what all we have to do? Search and display and also find the total number of cardiologists. So we need a variable to count equal to 0, then try block, inside try block while loop to traverse through the file, true, then read the record, rec equal to, how to read, pickle dot load, then as the argument f file handle. Then next step we have to check whether the specialization is cardiology or not. For that, if rec of 2 equal to cardiology colon, see the specialization is at index 2 in this tuple. So you have to give 2 here, rec of 2. Then if it is cardiology, what you have to do? Print the record, print rec. Then also you have to increment the count to find the total number of cardiologists. Count equal to count plus 1. Okay. Then here in except f dot close, file closing. Then at last you have to print the total number of cardiologists. Print count. Then one more thing, this if statement rec equal to cardiology, this will check for only uppercase cardiology. Then for case insensitive searching, you can give like this, rec of 2 dot upper, the function upper equal to cardiology. That is, even if the specialization given here is in lower case or in mixed case, it will convert that string into uppercase, then compare. The function upper will return the uppercase equivalent of a string. So this statement will return the uppercase equivalent of specialization. Is it clear now? Okay, we will move to next program. Next one, given a binary file telephone.dat containing records of the following structure: name, address, area code, phone, a list. Write a function copy ABC in Python that would copy all those records having area code as ABC from telephone.dat to telephoneback.dat. So what we have to do? Read from the record telephone.dat and search for the records having area code as ABC. Then that records you have to write into telephoneback.dat. So here we have two files. First one telephone.dat that we have to open in read mode. Then telephoneback.dat that we have to open in write mode. First you have to import the pickle module. Import pickle. Then the function def copy ABC. No arguments. Then open the file telephone.dat in read mode. FR file handle. Open telephone .dat in read binary mode RB. Then we have to open one more file teleback.dat in write mode. FW equal to open teleback.dat in write and binary mode. Next step, try block, while true, read the record, RSC equal to pickle dot load from which file? telephone.dat. So give the file handle FR. Then search for the area code ABC. If rec of 0, 1, 2 again, rec of 2 dot upper equal to ABC. Then write into the file teleback.dat. How to write? Pickle.dump. What to dump? REC. What to dump? In teleback.dat. So give FW here, file handle. Okay. Then accept. FR.close. FW.close. So read from the file telephone.dat, then check whether the area code matches. If so, write into teleback.dat. Okay, we have discussed 2 5 mark questions. In our next class, we will discuss some more questions. Thank you.